And for centuries, gold has been more than just an ornament in Indian households. It has symbolized security and prosperity. But today, the way Indians invest in gold is changing. Is gold moving from lockers to digital portfolios? Let's delve into the numbers and the trends driving this shift. Take a look.
Gold isn't just an ornament in India. It's a massive store of household wealth. According to studies under the World Gold Council, Indian households are estimated to hold nearly 25,000 tons of gold. According to Harshad Shah, a chartered accountant, the safe haven asset is valued at 212 lakh crore rupees at current prices. That's nearly 65% of India's GDP, the highest ratio for any country. While overall gold investment is rising, traditional physical gold, especially jewellery, is losing its appeal. Data shows that India's gold jewellery demand has declined for 3 consecutive years. It stood at 610 tons in 2021, dropped to 600 tons in 2022, fell further to 575 tons in 2023 and is estimated to reach 563 tons in 2024. That's a 7% drop from 2022 levels. The primary reason? Soaring gold prices. In 2024, gold prices in India surged over 15%. Making jewellery purchases significantly costlier. On top of that, making charges add another 10 to 25% to the final cost. This has made gold jewellery less attractive, especially for younger buyers, who now view gold more as an investment rather than an heirloom. While jewellery demand is falling, gold bars and coins have shown mixed trends. Investment demand for bars and coins fell in 2022, but rebounded in 2023. In 2024, demand surged to 239 tons, a 29% increase. Experts believe this spike is largely due to geopolitical tensions and rising gold prices, which have pushed investors down safe haven assets. However, in the long run, bars and coins are losing ground to financial gold, which offers greater convenience. Gold ETFs in particular have seen a massive surge. According to AMFI data, net inflows into gold ETFs jumped from 460 crore rupees in 2022 to 2,919 crore rupees in 2023. In 2024, inflows skyrocketed 216%. The appeal is clear. Gold ETFs allow investors to track gold prices without the hassle of physical storage. They are highly liquid, with no making charges or security concerns. This shift is being driven by urban and younger investors who prefer digital gold investments over traditional forms. Government policies further fueling this transition. The 2024 Union Budget introduced a major tax incentive for gold ETFs. In contrast, physical gold, whether jewellery, bars or coins, still requires a 24-month holding period to qualify for long-term capital gains benefits. This makes financial gold a more tax-efficient option. With rising prices, liquidity advantages and tax benefits, gold ETFs are emerging as the preferred choice for Indian investors. While physical gold will remain culturally significant, especially for weddings and festivals, the future of gold investment in India is shifting towards financialization. Business Bureau, WION, World is One.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.